Ageno ni chiemo maber kamora mora ma intiere machiegni e chenro machielo kendo mano matedo gi chiemo mana kaka iyude tich adek juma ka juma e Ramogi TV. Kawuono ni pod wadhi e piny mawendo, wadwaro mondo wamed puonjore kit tedo. Wasewuotho kaluo, waseng'iyo kit tedowa, wawuotho e gwenge mopogore opogore, pacho kendie kanyakla kod oko. Gima bende ing'eyo ni piny ni endie otin, wantiere gi welo modhuro. Koro e welogo nyaka bende wapuonjre kaka gitedo. Machiegni chenro ni kendo wantiere gi jatedo madhi konyowa e tetwa ka wantiere magawa miluongo ni Suku. Machiegni jatedowa adhi mana ule to ok wated gi dholuo kawuono, wadhi kiko oswayo gi kizungu mondo koro upuonjwa godo. Mambo
poa sana.
Waitwa?
Naitwa Kwame Kimathi. Ya tuko Suku leo. And tunafanya pan-seared grilled fish and with some vegetables, and then tutaimalizia na garlic butter for the toppings. Yeah.
So ini mlo kutoka wapi?
This is naturally we do it under Italian, under this restaurant, but it can also fall under seafood, which is a continental cuisine. Yeah.
Unajua sisi tunajua samaki kisha, kwa hivyo either kwanza grilling imekuja tu juzi ndio tumeanza kugrill.
Yeah.
Ni kuipika ya supu ama dry fry kuisha?
No, yeah, okay, what we'll do it as a pan-sear. Pan-sear is where you lock in the flavors. First we'll heat our pan, medium heat, and then after the marination, 4 minutes each side, and then we'll take it to the oven.
Oh,
yeah.
So we're going to start off with the marination.
Yeah, with the marinations. Yeah.
I see a lot of marinades, a lot of fancy stuff, but
yeah,
very good colors. I love the colors. So just take us through what we have for the marination.
Okay, for the marination, first off we have olive oil. We have sea salt. We have some...
Wait, why sea salt and not the normal salt?
Okay,
table salt?
Sea salt, it adds more flavor. It's kind of rich in taste.
More than table salt?
More than table salt.
But kama mtu hana...
Yeah, you can use the normal salt.
Okay.
At home, you can use the normal salt. Yeah.
Then...
we have some onions, green onions. Yeah, some pepper, red peppers in olive oil, just for the marination. Here we have a garlic parsley butter. We'll smear it on top when we are taking it in the oven. We do have some vegetables, which we'll do them later. Some paprika for the marinade, and some garlic, chopped garlic.
Great. Okay, yeah. Start us off. Let's see how to marinate.
Okay, first of all, you need to pat down your fish to remove the extra water. We'll do that using a serviette. Yeah, you just pat it down nicely. Both sides. You have to be gentle because kingfish is too delicate.
Kingfish.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get the local name for kingfish.
I wouldn't even know. Yeah, it's delicate, so you just pat down the extra water. And then now we create our marinades. We'll start off with the olive oil. A good amount before this one. We'll go in with the paprika, just a pinch.
See the way we cook at home.
Yeah.
Your mother is standing over you. Hey, you mafuta yote.
We'll do a chopped garlic. Just a tiny bit. We'll go in with the sea salt. Yeah. A good amount of the sea salt for the flavors.
The fish is not sea.
Sorry?
In your legs, yeah.
I wouldn't know. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So just like that, then you mix them gently. Then we'll add our lemon, freshly squeezed lemon. Yeah. Just like that. Now for the second part, just put your fish in gently. Unaipaka. Yeah. Now when you do the pan.
Raw, it's not like pre-cooked.
No, it's not pre-cooked because it takes 6 to 8 minutes to get ready. Okay. So you don't need to pre-cook it. Okay. Yeah.
You know, there's a lot of unlearning that we're doing because people used to know if you're making fish, raw fish, it has to boil for hours. Like our cooking traditionally as Africans,
it's way different.
Takes,
yeah. Plus some things like fish, when you overcook them, I feel like you won't get the right flavors. Okay. Yeah. Nutrients are gone. Maybe now you take the soup.
You're just eating the fish itself.
The fish itself.
Then you're calling it, I've had a healthy meal.
Yeah. Now fish is like that. So for the next part, we'll heat our pan, medium heat. Then we'll add the fish.
So it's not staying in the marinade?
It can stay in the marinade. The longer it stays, the better. Yeah, just because you've done it right now for the purpose of the show, we'll do it as soon as possible.
But basically, you're supposed to give it 15, 20,
20 minutes if it's for that day. But if it's better when it sleeps in the marinade. If you do it overnight, it can stay in the marinade overnight, and then you can do it in the morning.
So you can get all the flavors.
You can get all the flavors. They can soak in. Yeah, even the color, it adds more color. The paprika plus the olive, when it stays overnight, I feel like in the chiller or the fridge, it gets more colorful.
Oh, nice. Okay. Yeah. So when you're cooking at home, don't rush.
You don't rush. Yeah, we are rushing. Yeah, because it's here. Yeah. When you're cooking it at home, you don't rush.
You start early.
Start early, prepare. Yeah, umesema ni ya kesho, unaweza prepare jioni, unaanza jioni for the perfect fish. Yeah.
So as it marinates?
As it marinates. Actually, we do it 15 minutes inaweza kaa kwa chiller ama kwa fridge. But since you're doing it right now, you can just put on the pan.
So
we add off oil and then we start off.
All right.
Okay. There you go. Now we heat our pan. Medium heat.
Oh,
yeah.
It's red hot.
No. We're using medium heat, so as we can remove the extra water, the fat. Yeah.
So because it's marinated in oil and everything, are you still going to put some
just a little bit of oil to help it with the caramelization.
Which is?
The browning part. The browning part.
Okay.
Yeah.
So here we just brown it.
Here we just brown it both sides. We'll do 4 minutes on each side for better color, and then we'll take it we'll finish it off in the oven. Iive vizuri. Yeah. And then later on we'll finish off with the vegetables. So we'll add in olive. We're using olive. It's rich. We're not using
in flavor.
The
normal salad.
Yeah, plus it's Italian, so we're more used to it.
Of course, they only use
olive oil. Yeah. So what we're doing is pan searing it. You need to put it away from the oil, like it needs to lie away from the oil. Not here. To prevent the spilling of the oil.
Okay.
Yeah. So it.
But
no, it goes away. Yeah. Now you regulate your heat. Yeah, give it time.
So we heated the pan at medium.
Medium. Yeah, when I reduce, the temperature of the oil. Yeah. When it's too high, you reduce it. Yeah.
So here
from one side.
4 minutes.
4 minutes. 4 minutes or 3 to 4 minutes. Yeah. Then we take it the oven.
So tell us how this young man from Meru decided to do Italian
cuisine.
Yeah.
I'd say it came with the passion. Yeah, when you start cooking, you're jumping from one cuisine to another. And I feel like Italian suited me better because it has a wide range from the pizzas to the sauces, the pastas. Yeah. Actually, the pastas. And even the salads.
Your favorite?
In what sense?
Is the Italian cuisine. Even unapika, you're like, wow, this one I've done it justice.
I'd say I like doing gnocchi. there's a dish called gnocchi, whereby you mix your mashed potatoes with flour, and then you make a red sauce, and you finish off with Parmesan cheese or mozzarella cheese. Just simple dish,
how
but
does it come out?
Gnocchi. When you're mixing the flour and the potato together, combining them, you form a little balls.
Okay.
Yeah, you can form little balls of approximately 15 to 35 grams, and then you freeze them. When you freeze them, you can blanch them in salty water. Yeah. And then you finish them off with your red sauce or white sauce, which in Italian is concasse.
It's an option for fries?
No. It's actually more of a saucy meal.
Okay.
So the potatoes mixed with the flour, they create a ball, sort of ball. So when you mix the potatoes in the sauce, so it's more of a saucy. Yeah, it's just removing the flavors. Nothing. Yeah. Nothing out of the ordinary. No.
White stuff ni gani sasa?
Ni flavors too zake. I think the fats in it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Then ziko kwa
samaki. Yeah.
So hapa you're counting the 4 minutes in your head ama utaona venye?
Utaangalia tu most of the time you just count them in your head. Saa zingine hata zitafika. Saa zingine zitapita, but yeah, sometimes you keep on looking. So I think we'll do the checking right now. Yeah, I prefer the rubber spatula for the sticking. You need to be gentle. Yeah, it's browning nicely. Yeah, these are you can leave them on all. Yeah, so let's give it a few more minutes, and then we turn it over. Yeah, finish it off.
Okay. Yeah, so you're telling me you say that's one of your favorites?
That's one of my favorites. I'd say I love a lot of pastas. Pastas in general. Yeah, I'm into pastas in general.
Mostly in other cuisines, pastas, they fall under the pastries.
No. Pastries is
pasta
the spaghetti.
I was thinking of the pizza.
Pizza also is Italian, actually, Naples.
So now you do all of them?
Yeah, we do all of them.
Oh.
Yeah. Just because you have a different station, but we do everything. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So
you can turn it.
We can turn it gently. Yeah. See that golden? Yeah. Give it that nice crunch. Like an egg.
Yeah, like an egg.
Yeah.
There's an egg inside.
No, there's no egg inside. Now after here we'll apply the butter and then take it to the oven.
Yeah, on top of this now.
Yeah, but we'll use a different set here. We'll put it here because we can't do this in the oven. It'll bend. It's yeah, actually it bends. Yeah, simple. Nothing.
So a little bit more time.
Yeah, so now that's pan searing.
But now, even if you don't take it to the oven,
yeah, bado unaweza kula.
Kuna wenye wanaipenda mnaitaje medium rare, well done.
But you know with fish, because it's white meat, it needs to cook well done, even. Except for salmon. Yeah, where salmon unaweza have raw, the sushi, or just as a starter, kama salad, ama biting. Yeah, it needs to cook. It needs to cook well. Yeah.
Yeah, they say that there are two meats inaweza kupea ugonjwa tu vizuri. Samaki
na kuku. Yeah, kuku iko na live bacteria. Yeah, so you need to inafaa cook thoroughly. Yeah. So you need to inafaa cook thoroughly. Yeah. So after that, yeah, we'll apply our garlic parsley butter bottom.
So it's also going to add more flavor.
It will add more flavor, and it will make it not to stick. Yeah.
Where is your butter green?
Because it has parsley in it. a lot of parsley, and it also has garlic. We use this for our breads, which we serve them as starter for soups. Yeah. Now slowly, gently, it goes on there. Let's drop that. You apply on top. Give it that finish. Yeah, just like that.
So from here, now it goes to the...
It goes to the oven. Yeah, and then we'll do the vegetables as it continues. Then we'll finish it off.
In the oven for 6 minutes.
6 minutes, it's counting down.
Meanwhile, tutengeneze two veggies.
Yeah.
Hapa tuko na broccoli, tuko na carrots. Hizi ni
cauliflower.
Cauliflower.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are blanching them.
We are blanching them.
Blanching inamaanisha unaweka kwa maji.
Unaweka kwa maji kidogo, and then now we'll toast them. Yeah. Isi overcook, yeah, even for the color. Yeah, so what we'll do, we'll just take our net.
We use hot water.
Hot water, but not necessarily hot. It can be warm, because haitakaa sana. Yeah, it just needs to get the chlorophyll out. Yeah, ikuwe colorful, and then tutaitos mabata just to finish it off. Okay. Just a little. Some carrots here. Una balance hizo colors. Ndo say plating, it could help with the mixing and matching, I'd say. Yeah, you can.
Is a war.
Yeah. So
that's the only vegetable now you want to eat.
So as it continues, you can. Yeah. So it's simply what we, and then just do them with butter, and we'll add some flavor.
Okay.
So for the flavor, we use a chicken powder. Chicken powder on the vegetables. Oh. We'll add that.
Okay.
Yeah.
But we are making fish.
We're making fish for the vegetables. No, it's called chicken powder, but it's not chicken. Yeah. It's Nijina too. It's more of a chili cube type of sort of flavor. Yeah.
Because generally with our amateur knowledge, if it's fish,
it's fish.
Go with it. At least you're Nigerian.
Yeah, they do different. Yes. Okay. So just like that. Going with a little bit of water. Though zisianze kuburn immediately. Yeah. The pan is hot. Gotoyo maji. Then you just add in a little butter. A bit of water again. Under it. Just like that. And then I'll finish it off with that chicken powder. Yeah. Ivo too. We'll serve it Ivo too.
Allah?
Yeah. Nothing more, nothing much.
Let me ask.
You don't need to cook the vegetables all done.
Oh, so it's supposed to be crunchy.
Crunchy, yeah. Okay. Vibrant. Yeah. Plus, when you're serving, the plate is hot. Oh. So kama ni vegetable inaweza endelea kuiva. Yeah. So we don't do much. Isivi hapa. Yeah. So fish is done. So the next part, we'll heat our plate, and then to our plate. Yeah.
So this is just done?
Just done. Chicken powder, and I'll flavor it.
Oh,
the last minute. Nice.
So we have our veggies ready. Our warm plate. Ulisema tunaiwamisha juu?
Tunaiwamisha at least food ikifikia customer. Because unapataga guests wana complain the food is cold, the food is cold.
Especially in the weather.
Plus, even when you have a lot of items on the plate, the more you plating, the more the food starts get.
Okay, ile yenye ulianza nayo.
Yeah. Our veggies are ready. Our sauce, garlic butter sauce, is ready. I think our fish is ready. Yeah, so all we need is we can have our fish. All you need to do is just split. So you can see.
It looks nice.
Yeah, the edges brown. You can even the smell. Yeah. So we can start plating. The plate is warm. We don't need much of a decoration here.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just a classy kingfish. So we'll do the vegetables and then the sauce go in last. Yeah, okay.
The fish starts.
The fish
That's
starts.
the base.
Yeah, that's the base of the dish.
Okay.
So it starts so that you can create the space for the other.
Ndio walimba foundation weka ya samaki.
The samaki.
Bas.
Yes.
So
you just go in with the fish, and then the remaining space will do the vegetables. The remaining area will do the vegetables. Yeah. You have gloves so you can touch your fish. Nothing into it. Carrot.
Balancing the colors.
Balancing the colors with the carrots. Yeah. Can you do it like that? In the plate. We also have this and this.
So this was the pilipili.
This was the pilipili.
Nakupima tena sana. Nakupima tena sana.
Just for the vibrant color.
Color. Wait, Kwame. Is that for color, ma?
Yeah, just for the color. Just for the color.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okuona
the
chie
color.
ujo.
This. You can go in with this one.
Spring onions.
Spring onions. Just for the color too.
Huko tu hapa just for the color, but
Yeah.
chef kama usetieko tedonwa iluongo ni hata maparo nyingi umesema inaitwa pan fried pan seared
kingfish.
Pan fried ni ingine tofauti.
Hiyo ni kufried. This is seared.
Pan seared kingfish with veggies on the side and a little bit of
garlic butter
sauce.
Yeah.
So tukitaka kuionja sasa garlic butter sauce inamwagwa juu. Usidhani kaita dipiwa hapo.
Auta dip hapo.
Mimi nilikuwa najaribu kukuona. Nikwambie mimi nitapili jamii.
You can just need to cut there.
Kuna ndimu.
Kuna ndimu. Now you need to squeeze.
Hebu ni squeeze juu wewe ndio kuna
gloves.
Nice.
Yeah. And then the sauce.
On top.
Yeah. You can have the sauce on top. Ndio nikakata like yeah.
Usende nako kapilipili nako for the color.
Yeah.
Flavors nazo. Bali sijui kwa nini jina hii samaki inanipotelea.
Kingfish. Yeah, can have the vegetables. You can have.
Naitafuta na lugha ya nyumbani. That's nice.
Thank you.
Tanirudi hapa. Lakini hii iende.
Sawa.
Nilikuwa nasema the flavors.
The flavors.
Especially the butter.
Yeah.
So na imagine ingezidi kukaa kwa
marinade. Yeah, for a few hours. Yeah. Okay.
That is nice.
Thank you.
Sasa? Kwa wale wanataka food kama hii, kuja suku.
We are located along Kiambu Road, the Runda Junction. Yeah, you'll find us there. You can come have a dish with us. We have varieties of fish, seafood, Italian, French cuisine, also barbecue. Thank you.
Umesema choice ni yako.
Choice ni yako.
Kitu hapo unataka kwenda country gani? Unataka kula food ya country gani?
Yeah, ikuwe ni Italy, ikuwe ni Chinese, yeah, ikuwe ni African. You can come dine with us. Yeah.
Nice. Thank you. Asante sana Kwame. Thank you for showing us this. As I said, I think I'll remember and I'll tell you guys. Samaki tusizoe tu ile yetu ya kawaida, uweke kwa thufu, uninika dry fry hivyo. Cheza nayo tokeleze kama hii. Si tutaifungia hapo. Nyakodie chema chelo kendo, chendo machelo martedo gichemo ilungani Jael Lieta.